talented, persistent, spoken into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once become addicted. If I rap it, then I let it. Got no cap, but I ain't breaking this. This ain't what you want, bitch. I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
This video is sponsored by JLCMC. JLCMC bridges the gap between high cost and high quality in mechanical components and custom aluminum enclosure. They deliver precision, linear motion, transmission and pneumatic solution for both standard and custom, all with proven reliability, speed and exceptional value to keep your project on schedule. JLCMC launched custom aluminum enclosure section on their website and also provides $70 and $30 coupons. They give fast delivery and transparent pricing, superior quality and professional reliability. It's time to redefine your custom aluminum enclosure. Head to JLCMC to discover how to get perfect shell that meet all your specifications with better and cost effectiveness. All links are given in the video description. Thank you JLCMC for sponsoring this video.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Woo! Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, this ain't on the man. Facts bro, lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.